What is Grafana? Grafana is an open-source data visualization and monitoring tool that allows users to create customizable dashboards to analyze and display metrics and data from various sources. It is commonly used for monitoring and visualizing time series data, such as application and infrastructure performance metrics. Key features of Grafana. Data source integration. Grafana can integrate with a variety of data sources, such as Graphite, Elasticsearch, Prometheus, InfluxDB, and more. This allows users to aggregate and visualize data from different sources in a single dashboard. Customizable dashboards. Grafana allows users to create and customize dashboards using a drag-and-drop interface. Users can add panels, charts, tables, and other visualizations to their dashboard, and customize them with various formatting and layout options. Alerting. Grafana provides alerting capabilities that allow users to set up alerts based on predefined conditions and thresholds. Users can receive alerts via email, Slack, or other notification channels. Plugin support. Grafana supports a wide range of plugins and extensions, which can add additional functionality and integrations to the platform. Users can install and configure plugins to add support for new data sources, visualizations, or other features. Community support. Grafana has a large and active community of users and contributors who share best practices, provide support, and develop new plugins and integrations. How to install Grafana? To install Grafana, you can follow these general steps. Choose a platform. Grafana can be installed on various platforms including Windows, Linux, and macOS. Download Grafana. Visit the Grafana downloads page at https://grafana.com/grafana/download to download the appropriate package for your platform. Install Grafana. The installation process may vary depending on your platform. Here are some general steps. For Linux, extract the downloaded package and move it to the appropriate directory, such as usr, share, Grafana. Start the Grafana service using a command such as systemctl start Grafana server. For Windows, run the downloaded.mc installer and follow the prompts to install Grafana. For macOS, double-click the downloaded.dmg file and drag the Grafana app to your Applications folder. Access Grafana. After installation, you can access the Grafana web interface by navigating to http://localhost port 3000 in your web browser. You can log in using the default username and password, which are both admin. Configure Grafana. After logging in, you can configure Grafana by adding data sources, creating dashboards, and setting up alerts. Grafana use cases? Infrastructure monitoring. Grafana can be used to monitor the performance and availability of servers, network devices, and other infrastructure components. It can integrate with data sources such as Prometheus, InfluxDB, and Graphite to collect and visualize metrics such as CPU usage, memory utilization, and network traffic. Application performance monitoring. Grafana can be used to monitor the performance and availability of applications and services. It can integrate with data sources such as AppDynamics, New Relic, and Jaeger to collect and visualize metrics such as response time, error rate, and transaction volume. Business intelligence. Grafana can be used to visualize and analyze business data such as sales figures, customer engagement metrics, and website traffic. It can integrate with data sources such as MySQL, Postgres, and Elasticsearch to collect and visualize data from various sources. IoT and sensor data monitoring. Grafana can be used to monitor data from IoT devices and sensors. It can integrate with data sources such as MQTT and Telegraph to collect and visualize data from sensors such as temperature, humidity, and pressure. Log monitoring. Grafana can be used to monitor and analyze logs from various sources such as Syslog, Elasticsearch, and Fluentd. It can be used to visualize log data in real time and set up alerts based on predefined conditions and thresholds.